big lion. Going to jump up and I see some London. First I went to St Paul's Cathedral. It made that feel very small. Then I went to a Tower of London. My daddy works at Tower of London and he looks after the Queen's jewels. We made our own Queen jewels out of boxes and lots of glitter. Took the tube to London Bridge. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. Build it up with wood and clay, wood and clay, wood and clay. Build it up with wood and clay. My fair lady, wood and clay will wash away, wash away, wash away. Wood and clay will wash away, my fair lady. Uncle on the big wheel. That's called the London Eye. The lion took the children onto the London Eye, even though he was very nervous. The children went up very high and I could see all across London. When the ride finished, the lion took the children to see Buckingham Palace. It's the changing of the guard. We all will need the march. They can see someone in the window. Hello, children. Wow! Wow! We have painted portraits of the Queen. A big portrait of the Queen in the style of London. Did you know that the Queen has had 129 portraits since she has been Queen? This is the Queen during Jubilee. The Queen Elizabeth. Elizabeth is the Queen 60 years. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. That's a very long time. The Queen's in charge of the Commonwealth. The Commonwealth goes to all around the world. We made some flags. Canada, Barbados, Jamaica, Australia, Kenya, New Zealand. There are 54 countries in the Commonwealth. Please go to singing our hymn. tray. We made our own family tree.
I have one brother and 2 sisters.
The Queen has pets. She has 3 corgis called Minty, Holly and Willow.
We have been learning the singing fence.
Plenty corgis and sailor. Sugar Monty, Sugar Holly. Bonjour Monty, bonjour Holly. Bonjour Monty, bonjour Holly. Kate and Jack were feeling very tired now. Valerie, it was time to head back to Trafalgar Square. Kate and Jack were feeling very tired now. It was time to head back to Trafalgar Square. On the way back, the children stopped at town for shopping. The children bought the line of woolly blankets. The line was very pleased. We hope you enjoyed the tour of London. We hope you enjoyed celebrating the Queen's Diamond Jubilee on the